I would wake up at like 5 a.m. in the morning to watch your Maps of Meaning releases, the new ones, the old ones, etc. I found myself inspired by both the academic and technical material, as well as what I might term the more fatherly directives or wisdom. I shared this with my family and my friends, as well as my girlfriend. She's here tonight as well. She's been following the biblical series. What I'd like to say is thank you for inspiring me to stand up and face something that I've been afraid of all my adult life. And thank you for granting me the permission to ask this question here. It's actually my girlfriend. Will you please stand up? So some might say, given that we are a couple of primates full of snakes, it's pretty miraculous that we haven't killed each other. But I think you're pretty great. And we've been talking about commitment. And I think I am ready. I know I am ready to commit to a life with you of sorting ourselves out. I'd like to clean some rooms with you. And even as scary as the shackles of marriage have been made to seem to us, I'm thinking about forever. And simply in my words, I love you dearly. You feel like home. I never want to lose that. Will you marry me? And if you want to come here.
So you're saying you're going to shackle yourself to me and never run away? Then I shall suffer the rest of my life with you.